Turkey and Iran, they are building navies capable of projecting power far from their shores, and at the heart of these ambitions is a carrier for unmanned aerial vehicles. They have made significant headway in developing so-called drone carriers. In addition to this, both countries maintain they are capable of building aircraft carriers down the road. On April 10th, the Turkish Navy commissioned its new flagship, the TCG Anadolu amphibious assault ship. TCG Anadolu is the first Ucav carrier in the world. Our Bayraktar TB3 Ucav, Kizilelma unmanned fighter jet and Hurjet light attack aircraft will be able to take off and land on this ship. Ankara decided to use the Anadolu as a drone carrier. Turkey subsequently developed a naval version of its well-known Bayraktar TB2 drone. The Bayraktar TB3 is bigger and has a heavier payload than its TB2 predecessor. It also has folding wings, meaning it will take up less space on the ship's deck. A prototype was exhibited in public for the first time in late April. The Anadolu will undoubtedly have a unique air wing if Turkey fulfills its stated goal of operating both TB3 drones and jet-powered unmanned Kizilelma fighters from its deck. The vessel is intended to meet the various needs and requirements of the Turkish armed forces, such as sustaining long endurance, long-distance military combat or humanitarian relief operations, while acting as a command center and flagship for the Turkish Navy. All of the ship's weapon systems were procured by Turkish firms Aselsan and Havelsan. The ship features a Turkish combat management system, the Genesis Advent, which was integrated by Aselsan and Havelsan. Aircraft landing is assisted in all weather condition by Leonardo SPN 720 precision approach radar. Its maximum speed is 21.5 knots in the STOVL aircraft carrier configuration, or 29 knots in the amphibious assault ship configuration. Its maximum range is 9,000 nautical miles at economic speed. The ship also has a 1,880 square meters light cargo garage for containers, and 27 amphibious assault vehicles, a 1,165 square meters dock that can accommodate for landing craft mechanized or 2 landing craft air cushion, or 2 landing craft vehicle personnel, and a 1,410 square meters garage for heavy cargo, which can accommodate 29 main battle tanks, amphibious assault vehicles, and containers. The ship will be protected by the ARIS 2023 detection sonar and can accommodate a crew of 261 personnel, 30 officers, 49 non-commissioned officers, 59 honored sailors, and 123 ratings. Turkey is not the only country in the region that produces unmanned aircraft carriers. Its neighbor, Iran, also has a drone aircraft carrier named Shahid Bagheri. The Shahid Bagheri will serve as a drone carrier with a 180-meter runway. It will also carry 30 Ashura-class fast patrol boats. Shahid Bagheri is a drone carrier operated by the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps Navy. She is the result of the 2022 to 2024 conversion of the container ship Peregrine, to which was added an angled flight deck with a ski jump in the manner of light aircraft carriers. She is named after Shahid Bahman Bagheri, an IRGC commander who died in Patak, Iraq, in a clash of the Iran-Iraq War. The ship is the first full-service WAV carrier of the IRGC Navy. She was launched at sea for the first sea trials from her home port of Bandar Abbas sometime around the 28th of November, 2024. Her launch underscored Tehran's efforts to project its power overseas, far beyond nearby waters. She was commissioned on the 6th of February, 2025. The vessel, with seaworthiness up to Force 9 and an operational range of 22,000 nautical miles, enables presence and operations for a year without the need for refueling in distant waters. With a 180-meter long runway for drones, the vessel can travel up to 22,000 nautical miles without needing to refuel in ports. The report said it was converted from a commercial ship and would increase Iran's power of deterrence. The ship is also equipped with 8 cruise anti-ship missiles, 8 multipurpose Kausar Tu-22 missiles, a turret with a 30mm automatic cannon, 2 20mm Gatling-type cannons, and 2 RC turrets with 20mm Gatling-type cannons. Equipped with a drone fueling station, a floatplane, and helicopters, short and medium-range air defense systems, intelligence equipment, and a flight control tower. Other features include the ability to carry and use various types of drones, guided subsurface vessels, the ability to identify various types of electronic signals, electronic warfare, full SIGINT, long-range surface-to-surface cannons and weapons, long-range surface-to-surface cruise missiles, the ability to deal with various types of small aircraft and air defense missiles. Between the two, which one do you think is superior?